Actually, in the normal situation, it's possible to analyze only 11 samples on Bioanalyzer. If the QC is really good, that's enough to calculate the mean value and coefficient variance. If the QC is really bad, 11 samples again will be enough. The last sample can be important in some intermediate situations when obtained values are between good and bad. In this case, bringing additional sample can help to qualify your bioreactor, but in normal situation, even with 11 samples, it's okay. If you see that you really need to add one more value to your calculation, unfortunately you have to use additional chip on your Bioanalyzer.
So I hope this video will help you to get a better understanding of the importance of protocols. Remember that you can reach us at any time by chatting with our crew on our website, by filling the form in the contact section, or by sending an email directly to customer.support@diagenode.com. We will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching. I wish you the best for all your experiments and see you soon for our next video. Bye.